Slapped me on the leg here, and I'm still healing up from that. Felt like getting hit with a 2x4. Broke the skin. It didn't cut me, it broke the skin off.
Oh.
Is that good? Huh? Where were y'all this morning? I was called you until I was hoarse. Usually they come right to my car or they'll be here waiting for me. This one was born in January.
Oh, still really small.
These two here?
Mm-hmm.
I got pictures of them. They was a day old when I got the first pictures of them. Okay.
Really cute.
And this one, these two here, about 2 weeks old.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad I came back. Well, I called and called and come on, mama, and all that shit. No one. They were somewhere. You got your father. What's up, buddy?
On the tree you got your chachalakas.
Hmm? Yeah, they like the peanut butter. I got peanut butter on there.
For the chachalakas?
Yeah.
Okay.
There, and over here. 3 places.
See that? Saw a woodpecker right there.
Yeah, we get everything but doves and hummingbirds like peanut butter.
Oh.
Come on, little one. You sure are going. That was funny. That was funny, Clyde.
Someone told me that this used to be a landfill.
Yeah.
I'm from West I'm not from this area here.
When I was a cop, the bridge didn't exist, the road didn't exist, everything across the street didn't exist, and this was a landfill.
They made it really nice here. They made it really nice here into this nature park.
Yeah.
It's very soothing, very calming.
I have well, he's retired now, but a pastor from Valley Baptist, he'd come out here and bring people with him. I said, Joe, this is my church. I'm in church every day. I got some good teeth pictures of them fighting.
Huh.
And they got some teeth on.
I don't want to feel them.
Hmm?
I don't want to feel them. I thought the chachalaca was about the size of a roadrunner, but I think it's bigger than a roadrunner.
I think it is. Of course, it's what we call them Mexican pheasants, really. And I've been told they taste real good. I killed one and going to eat it, and then I decided not to.
What dark? Is it the meat really dark?
Hmm?
Is it dark meat?
I don't know. I never did.
You didn't touch
clean it. What you doing, Biggin? All these are fat because I eat them. No.
This rain really is gonna make this place really nice. This recent rainfall. I was here. I was here, I think, last month, and it was kind of dry.
Come on, Mama, come on. With Mama getting plenty to eat, the milk is real good.
Yeah.
And the little ones grow real fast.
What other mammals do you find here?
Hmm?
What other mammals do you find here?
Oh, you got your bobcats here.
Never seen one.
I've been told Javalinas's been seen, not Javaline, Ocelot's been seen.
Ocelots?
Yeah, and one woman got a picture of a mountain lion here on the trail by the Royal. And it came out in the paper, one reason why I know about it. But you got coyotes more to the north of us. Have you ever seen armadillo? I ain't seen armadillo in here.
No, but somebody was telling me they'd seen one. They do have.
I get to see one in the driveway almost every day.
All right.
I think last year I saw Texas tortoise near the arroyo.
I've seen 2 different ones here.
I saw one, but it was turned upside down, so I just helped it turn them
What?
right side up.
One's got a messed up
Yeah, about
shell.
Texas tortoise. Oh, it does? Yeah, this one was healthy. It was just
All's good there now.
climbing up, and it just turned around.
Yeah.
So let me turn this,
Ready, honey?
turn them around.
We'll see you later.
See
Okay.
you. Happy Easter.
Thank you.
Huh?
We'll see
Likewise.
y'all mañana. Of course, the mañana is shopping day for me, so I'll be in a hurry. Today I'm not that big a hurry.
Okay, good for you.
Now, I'm not gonna catch hell here. So.
Have a good one.
We'll
Likewise.
see you later, honey. Keith, her husband, he's got cancer and sick all the time. In fact, they'll be gone almost all week next week.
Prayers for them.
Huh?
Prayers for them. It's
Yeah.
just kind of suck.
He was sick yesterday. He wasn't feeling good yesterday, but he was here.
Little bitty one right there.
These
Yeah.
are the youngest ones. They're little over 2 weeks old.
Oh, right there, and there's a green jay right there.
Yeah, yeah. And he's good pictures. I've taken some green jay pictures and oil pictures and Kissimmee. I don't get the camera out. I got it in the van, but I don't ever get it out.
Yeah, that'd be nice if for a wildlife photographer, post them out and share them out.
Yeah, I was offered Richard Moore's job at one time. I couldn't see myself getting up there and talking in front of the camera. But I called him one day and said, Richard, there's foxes out here at the airport. You want to take a picture of them? No, they're nocturnal. Well, I didn't know they were. I wouldn't know about it if they were nocturnal because I don't get out at night.
Mm-hmm.
I went down and bought 8-track recorder and recorded them out here at the park. I mean at airport. Had mom and daddy and 3 little kits.
Wow. What bird is that that's in the background?
On the field?
No, it's somewhere over there.
I don't know. It making noise? I
Mhm.
can't hear it. I've done too much shooting. I couldn't even get in the Air Force during Vietnam because I had too much ear damage.
Oh, that's not good.
Now these mama and these little ones come right up to me. Normally, like yesterday morning, they was right here with me. What you doing, mama? Huh, mama? Come on, mama. Come on. Yeah, I guess I better go home and see what kind of trouble I can get into.
You do have a nice day.
You
Yeah.
too.
Thank you.
Have a good Easter.
Likewise, you stay safe.